Today's topic is to assign the unique values to the unique numbers in the list. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is by using an enumerate method, and the method 2 by using the map, set default and account method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using an enumerate method. First, we are going to initialize our list. After that, we are going to use the enumerate method and the list comprehension and the dictionary comprehension also. First, we are going through each and every element in our list one, and after that we have used the set method over here and then enumerate. What does the set method is going to do is it's going to first have those distinct element, that is it's going to convert the list element into the distinct element, and after that it's going to sort all those distinct element of it, and the enumerate function is just going to keep a counter on our iteration over there. So for each and every element we are having an counter, that is an I. We are storing it into the dictionary. Our key value is the element and the counter is set has been as an I. So the value is set being I. We are storing them in our dictionary one, and after that we only need the key items, that is the unique values, and we are storing those unique values as our values over here. So we only need the values. So for each and every element in our list one, we only need the values. So we are dictionary one, only the values, and we are storing them in our list number 2, and we are having them as an output. Now how does this assignment work over here? That I have shown it, let the 1 3 5 2 6 5 1. Now the set is going to distinct those elements, so it will be 1 3 5 2 and the 6th element up to this, and after that it's going to sort them out. So it will be like 1 2 3 4 3 5 and the 6th element, and after that in the counter it's going to set them as a unique number, that is up to the 4, and after that we only need the values of that particular key value, which is our element. So we are having them. The first is 1, so we got it as, we have set the value as 0, so we have the 0. Now moving towards the 3, we have a value 2, so we have a 2 over here. Now 5, which is 3, and then comes 2 over here, with our value of 2 is 1, so we got 1, and the 6, which is 4 over there. Now the 5, it's again 3, and 1, it's again 0. So that's how the unique values are being assigned to our elements of the list.